Hi guys, just jumping in for a quick short video. We are going to do a giveaway. I'm going to give away the first Resiners bubble remover machine that they sent me. This is the original one. I went back and forth between which of the two I was going to give away, and I decided on this one because I feel like the cup sits better in the bottom, and you have a little more control over this one, being that it has time settings. So I decided this is the one that's going to go. I do not have the original box for this anymore. Sorry. I do have its paperwork. I will put that inside of it. And there will probably be some other little surprises in the box with this. I just haven't decided what yet. But this one is getting given away. To enter, I want you to put hashtag bubbles. And I will put that at the bottom here in the comment section to be entered. And then I will do a drawing based on comments. 1 entry per person. Unfortunately, due to like the power cord and what this is going to cost to ship, I am going to have to limit this giveaway to US residents only. And I will do the drawing on February 8th in the afternoon so I can get the video up sometime that evening. So that'll be next Thursday. So this is what we're giving away right now. The Resiners airless bubble machine. I don't need 2 of them. I don't have room to store 2 of them. And they've been gracious enough to send me 2 now. So this one's going to one of you. So like I said, between now and February 8th, leave a comment with hashtag bubbles in it. And I will pick my winner and then get it on its way to you. So if you're interested in this, and it's a very simple operation, and like I said, I do have the instruction booklet with it still, so you'll be ready to go, and there will be some other goodies included. So that is it. I just wanted to hop on quick and do this, and I will see you soon.